When losing weight, you probably think that fasting is the best solution. We are here to say it is totally wrong. You can lose weight without skipping any meals. In fact, the weight loss diets aren't so trendy anymore because many of them have been proven not to give good results on a medium to long term basis. Instead, today we will bring you an easy way that will help you reach your ideal. This drink will help you to lose weight without having any risk or hunger. Starting your recipe, if you want to receive more useful recipes to lose weight, then subscribe to the channel by pressing the red button and then the bell. So you will receive our advice every day. The first ingredient of this weight loss recipe is baking soda. Do you know that baking soda can help you lose the unsightly fat you've accumulated on your body? According to Women's Health magazine, consumption of baking soda is a reaction with stomach acids and leads to the formation of salt, water, and carbon dioxide. Therefore, thanks to its E. coli profile, baking soda helps relieve the symptom of indigestion, thereby helping you feel less bloated. In addition, baking soda also increases the feeling of fullness, therefore decreasing caloric intake and helps you lose weight. We offer you the recipe for a simple drink made from baking soda that will allow you to remove fat from your body quickly and easily. Now, we prepare one large glass of water, about 300 milliliters. Then, add 1.5 teaspoons of baking soda into this glass and mix well to dissolve baking soda. However, just baking soda is not enough. To get the weight loss benefits from baking soda, we need to combine it with another slimming ingredient, lime. You can also use lemon instead. Both lemon and lime enhance the E. coli properties of baking soda, thereby raising your blood pH. This helps the body digest and burn fat. In addition, lime juice also allows you to optimally eliminate excess toxins and fats preventing in your body. Its fiber content would help to improve digestive health and absorb nutrients better. This recipe needs 2 tablespoons of lime juice. Baking soda reacts with the lime juice and fizzes a lot, so make sure that your glass is large enough to avoid the water outward. Now, stir well to combine all ingredients. This drink can also help you slow down the signs of aging, reduce the appearance of wrinkles, and boost your skin. Drink 1 glass of this drink every morning on an empty stomach.